Welcome to our roundup of the best Amazon home organization gadgets. Whether you're looking to tidy up your office, optimize your kitchen space, or add some smart storage solutions, we've got you covered. These must-have gadgets will help you stay organized, reduce clutter, and create a more functional home. Stick around because all the links to these products are in the description below for easy access. Let's begin. First up, the collapsible magazine file holder is perfect for those looking to maintain a tidy and clutter-free office or home workspace. With 3 vertical compartments, it neatly stores magazines, documents, and office supplies, ensuring everything is within easy reach. The collapsible design is a major advantage, allowing you to fold it down when not in use, making it ideal for those who love a minimalist and organized setup. Whether placed on a desk, shelf, or countertop, this file holder is a simple yet effective way to keep important papers in order. Next, the wood phone docking station offers a sleek and practical way to organize daily essentials. Designed for men who appreciate both style and functionality, this docking station provides designated spots for your phone, wallet, watch, and keys, keeping everything in one place. Made from high-quality wood, it adds a touch of sophistication to any nightstand or desk. Whether you're preparing for the day ahead or winding down at night, this station ensures you never misplace your everyday items again. It's also a thoughtful and practical gift idea for birthdays, anniversaries, or special occasions. For an even more refined and stylish way to organize personal belongings, the leather valet tray is a fantastic addition to any nightstand or workspace. Made from premium vegan leather, this sand brown tray keeps keys, watches, wallets, and jewelry neatly arranged. Its elegant design complements modern decor, making it a sophisticated yet practical way to keep small essentials accessible. Whether placed in the bedroom, office, or entryway, this catch-all tray helps eliminate clutter while adding a touch of class. In the kitchen, keeping food items properly stored and accessible can make meal prep and grocery organization much easier. That's where the fridge organizer set comes in. This 10-pack of stackable bins with lids is a game changer for keeping your refrigerator neat and tidy. These BPA-free storage containers are perfect for holding fresh produce, drinks, leftovers, and snacks. Their clear design allows you to see everything at a glance, preventing food from getting lost and forgotten. Plus, the stackable feature maximizes fridge space, helping you store more without the mess. Next up, for a versatile storage solution that works in almost any room, the 3-tier rolling cart organizer is an excellent choice. Designed for ultimate convenience, this cart features 3 spacious tiers, allowing you to store everything from craft supplies and kitchen essentials to bathroom products and nursery items. The lockable wheels make it easy to move around or keep in place, while the reinforced handle adds durability and ease of use. Whether you need extra storage in the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or office, this lightweight yet sturdy cart is a stylish and practical way to keep everything organized and within reach. The bamboo sofa tray table is the perfect addition to any couch setup, offering a sturdy, foldable surface for drinks, snacks, or remotes. Its flexible design clips securely onto wide couch arms, while the 360-degree phone holder lets you enjoy hands-free viewing. Made from eco-friendly bamboo, this tray is both stylish and practical. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage, making it a great space-saving option for any living room. Whether you're watching TV or working from the couch, this tray keeps everything within reach. Keep your wardrobe neat with a set of 2 large clothes organizers, designed with 6 spacious compartments to store jeans, sweaters, and other folded clothes. The breathable fabric helps maintain freshness, while the reinforced handles make them easy to move or pull out of shelves. Whether you're organizing a closet or a dresser, these organizers provide a simple way to keep everything in order while maximizing storage space. A great way to bring structure to messy drawers, they make finding your clothes easier than ever. The couch console tray takes convenience to the next level, offering designated spaces for drinks, snacks, a phone stand, and storage for remotes. Designed to sit securely on an armrest or flat surface, it keeps everything within easy reach. Whether you're relaxing on the couch, traveling in an RV, or setting up a cozy corner in your car, this compact but functional caddy ensures your essentials are always organized. The weighted base keeps it stable so you don't have to worry about spills. Upgrade your workspace with the desk pad and organizer set, a 6-in-1 multifunctional mat that keeps your desk clutter-free. It features a mouse pad, phone and tablet stand, pen holder, cup slot, and cable organizer, all built into a sleek magnetic design. Whether you're working, studying, or gaming, this setup helps maintain a clean and efficient space while keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. Designed with premium materials, it enhances both comfort and productivity. The 5-tier fruit basket with wheels is the perfect storage solution for any kitchen, offering multiple pull-out wire baskets and a sturdy wood top. Designed to hold fruits, vegetables, or pantry essentials, essentials, this cart maximizes space while keeping everything easily accessible. The smooth rolling wheels allow you to move it around effortlessly, making it a practical and stylish way to keep your kitchen organized. Its open wire design promotes airflow, keeping produce fresh for longer. The stackable shoe storage cabinet is a sleek and practical solution for organizing footwear in closets or entryways. With its magnetic clear doors, you can easily see and access your shoes while keeping them dust-free. The stackable design allows for a customizable setup, and with 7 tiers holding up to 28 pairs, it's ideal for sneaker enthusiasts or anyone looking to maximize space. The durable plastic build ensures long-term use, keeping your collection neat and protected. A desktop glass board with wireless charger adds both style and function to your workspace. This dry erase board sits neatly on your desk, allowing you to jot down quick notes while keeping them visible. The built-in wireless charging pad ensures your phone stays powered throughout the day, and the included adapter makes setup a breeze. Its sleek, minimal design blends into any office setting, offering both organization and convenience in one compact solution. With its unique space-saving design, the tree bookshelf is perfect for storing books, movies, and decor. Featuring 6 sturdy shelves and a rustic brown finish, this vertical bookcase adds a modern touch to any room. Whether placed in a living room, bedroom, or home office, it keeps your favorite reads within reach while enhancing the overall aesthetic. Its compact footprint makes it a great choice for small spaces without compromising storage. A Bluetooth label maker simplifies home and office organization with its smart app-controlled design. Offering over 35 fonts and 1,000+ icons, it lets you create fully customized labels with ease. Inkless technology and waterproof tape ensure durable, long-lasting results, making it perfect for labeling kitchen containers, school supplies, or office files. Compact and portable, this device helps streamline organization with just a few taps on your phone. Keeping a desk clutter-free is easier with a rotating desk organizer that offers 5 compartments and a 360-degree spinning base. Designed for convenience, it provides easy access to pens, pencils, and office essentials while saving valuable workspace. Whether used at school, home, or the office, this durable organizer ensures everything stays neatly in place, making it a must-have for a well-organized setup. Designed to keep produce fresher for longer, these fruit storage containers feature airtight lids and built-in colanders for easy washing and draining. The set of 4 is perfect for organizing berries, vegetables, and other perishable foods in the fridge. Made from durable, dishwasher-safe materials, they help reduce food waste by maintaining optimal freshness while keeping your refrigerator neatly arranged. A must-have for anyone looking to extend the life of their groceries effortlessly. A folding desk offers a convenient workspace solution that requires no assembly. With a 2-tier design for added storage, it provides space for books, accessories, or a second monitor while maintaining a compact footprint. Ideal for small spaces, home offices, or dorm rooms, this portable desk folds flat for easy storage when not in use, making it a practical and space-saving addition to any setup. Its sturdy build ensures durability while offering a stylish, modern touch to any workspace. The lift-top coffee table combines style and function with its hidden storage compartment and smooth lifting mechanism. Designed with drawers and a retro wood finish, it provides ample space to keep essentials out of sight while maintaining a clean and modern aesthetic. Whether used for work, dining, or relaxing in the living room, this multifunctional table enhances both convenience and decor. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use, making it a perfect centerpiece for any living space. A king-size lift-up storage bed maximizes bedroom organization with its hydraulic lift mechanism, offering a spacious storage compartment beneath the mattress. Upholstered with a modern wingback headboard and supported by sturdy wood slats, it eliminates the need for a box spring while providing a stylish and comfortable sleeping space. This sleek and functional bed frame is ideal for optimizing storage in any bedroom. With its contemporary design, it adds a touch of elegance while making the most of available space. For keeping accessories neatly organized, this men's valet tray and jewelry box offers dedicated compartments for watches, keys, wallets, and other everyday essentials. Designed for nightstands or dressers, it provides an elegant and practical solution for storing valuables while keeping them easily accessible. Its stylish design makes it a great addition to any bedroom or office space. Crafted with high-quality materials, it ensures durability and a premium feel while helping keep surfaces clutter-free. A kitchen island cart with a solid wood top offers both style and functionality, providing additional storage and workspace for your kitchen. Featuring a spacious cabinet, a smooth rolling drawer, a spice rack, and a towel holder, it keeps everything organized organized and within easy reach. The sturdy wheels allow for effortless mobility, making it perfect for meal prep or serving guests. Whether used as a coffee station, extra counter space, or a mobile workstation, this cart adds both convenience and elegance to any kitchen. Designed for versatility, the Double Rod's garment rack offers ample space for hanging clothes while maintaining a sleek and compact design. Equipped with 4 hooks for extra storage, it's perfect for organizing coats, dresses, and everyday wear. Smooth rolling wheels ensure easy movement, making it a practical addition to bedrooms, laundry rooms, or walk-in closets. The durable frame provides stability, and its modern design blends seamlessly with any decor. A great solution for those needing extra hanging space without bulky wardrobes. Perfect for keeping small spaces tidy, the mini trash can with lid is a discreet yet functional addition to any countertop. Its compact size makes it ideal for bathrooms, offices, kitchens, or desks, providing a convenient waste solution for small disposables. The removable lid ensures easy cleaning, while the pop-up design adds a touch of modern convenience. Whether used for coffee grounds, cotton pads, or paper scraps, this tiny bin helps maintain a clean and clutter-free surface. An expandable pot rack is an essential kitchen organizer, providing a practical way to store pots, pans, and lids neatly inside cabinets. Featuring 10 adjustable compartments, it accommodates cookware of different sizes while preventing scratches and clutter. Whether placed vertically or horizontally, this sturdy rack maximizes storage space and keeps everything easily accessible. Made with durable materials, it offers a long-lasting and space-saving solution for maintaining an organized kitchen. A set of 20 large magnetic spice jars offers a stylish and efficient way to store seasonings while keeping them within arm's reach. The hexagon glass jars attach securely to any magnetic surface, such as refrigerators or metal backsplashes, saving valuable counter and cabinet space. Each jar comes with shaker lids and labels for easy identification, making meal prep more efficient. Ideal for home kitchens, RVs, and travel trailers, this set is both functional and visually appealing, keeping spices fresh and organized. This bedside caddy is a convenient and practical storage solution for your bedroom. Perfect for dorms or bunk beds, it keeps all your essential items within arm's reach. This organizer easily attaches to the side of your bed or shelf, offering compartments to store books, phones, snacks, or other personal items. Its versatile design is ideal for tight spaces, helping you stay organized without clutter. Whether you're studying late or just relaxing in bed, this caddy ensures everything you need is easily accessible. This toothbrush holders with toothpaste dispenser is a smart bathroom organizer that combines convenience with functionality. This wall-mounted unit features 4 cups for easy access and an automatic toothpaste dispenser for a mess-free experience. It also includes 5 toothbrush slots, keeping your brushes organized and dry. A great solution for families or shared bathrooms, it eliminates the hassle of squeezing toothpaste by hand, while ensuring a clean, tidy space for everyone's toothbrushes. Next up, this cash box. Metal money box with a locking mechanism is a durable and secure solution for storing cash and valuables. Its tiered design includes slots for bills and coins, keeping your money organized and accessible. The cantilever design makes it easy to view and retrieve items, while the key lock ensures security. Ideal for small businesses, personal use, or for anyone needing a safe, portable money storage option, this box provides peace of mind knowing your valuables are safely locked away. These 12-pack shoe slots organizers are a must-have for anyone looking to save space in their closet while keeping shoes neatly displayed. The adjustable, transparent trays stack securely, allowing you to organize sneakers, boots, or heels while maximizing storage. Perfect for those with a growing shoe collection, these racks save space and keep shoes accessible and visible, making it easy to find the right pair every time. Its compact design ensures it fits in any closet, and it can be customized to suit your needs. The 3-tier watch box is the ideal storage case for keeping your watches safe and beautifully displayed. With 8 slots, it allows you to organize your collection in a neat, tiered fashion. Made from high-quality woven embossed PU leather, this watch box features a floating effect that adds elegance to any dresser or vanity. Its ink black surface with wine red lining creates a sophisticated look, making it a thoughtful gift for any watch enthusiast. Its compact design ensures that it fits perfectly in your home, keeping your watches organized and protected. The 2 PCS adjustable bookends offer a reliable solution for keeping your books neatly organized on your desk, shelf, or in your office. Made from durable metal, these bookends can hold even the heaviest books without tipping over. With 2 dividers, they help you organize books by size, topic, or any other category you prefer. The non-slip base ensures stability, keeping your books securely in place. Adjustable to extend up to 19 inches, these bookends are versatile and customizable to fit your space. Whether for work or home use, these bookends make organizing your collection effortless. The underdesk drawer organizer is a space-saving solution for your desk, allowing you to store your items neatly without clutter. This clip-on, rotated under-table drawer attaches easily to your desk, providing a convenient storage spot for office supplies, stationery, or even small electronics. The phone holder keeps your device handy and organized, while the paper drawer ensures you don't lose important documents. Whether you're at home or in the office, this under-desk organizer maximizes your workspace without sacrificing accessibility or convenience. The ClearSpace Soda Can Organizer is the perfect solution for organizing and dispensing cans in your refrigerator. This 2-pack set of stackable organizers holds up to 12 cans each, providing a neat, efficient way to store your drinks. Made from BPA-free plastic, these organizers are safe and durable, ensuring your cans stay in place without rolling around. The sleek, clear design makes it easy to see what you have stored, so you can quickly grab your favorite beverage. Ideal for anyone looking to optimize fridge space, this dispenser is a must-have for any kitchen. The retractable garden hose reel is designed to make garden hose storage easier and more convenient. This heavy-duty hose reel features a 100-foot hose that can retract automatically and smoothly, preventing tangles and damage. The UV-resistant material ensures durability, even when exposed to the elements. With a 180-degree swivel feature, you can easily reach all areas of your garden, while the 9-pattern nozzle gives you various spray options for all your watering needs. Whether you're watering plants or washing the car, this retractable hose reel makes the task simpler and more organized. The Hanbei modular sectional sofa with storage combines comfort and functionality, offering ample seating along with hidden storage. This versatile sectional sofa allows you to rearrange the pieces to fit your space, making it ideal for small or large living rooms. The sleeper feature offers extra accommodation for guests, while the storage compartments allow you to keep blankets, pillows, or other items out of sight. Whether you're lounging, hosting guests, or needing extra storage, this modular sectional sofa delivers both style and practicality. That's it for our list of Amazon home organization gadgets. These simple yet effective solutions can make a world of difference in your home. If you found something that caught your eye, don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips to keep your home neat and organized.